Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set power button to end calls on your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to this call button and click on these three vertical dots and click on settings there. Now click on calling accounts and click on answer end calls option, and here you have to turn on the button against press power button to end calls. This works only when the screen is on. Yes. Now if I receive any call or if I make a call when call is in progress, I don't need to cut the call using soft key. I can just use hard key, that is power key, to end calls. So in this way you can easily make sure that your call is ended. Now I answer this call and call is in progress, and if you want to stop this call, usually you do this red color call button. This is to cut the call, but if you don't cut properly, call will be in progress and opposite person will hear what we are speaking here. So in this way, so in this situation, to avoid this, just you have set up this, and now you can use power button to end calls. Simply press power button and the call will be end. See here. So simply press power button to end the calls. You have to make sure that this button is turned on for this, and you can easily cut the call using power key instead of soft key. This will be very useful when you are not sure to cut calls using soft key, that is touch is not properly working in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.